My name is Abhi Elizabeth Ibrahim, URQ17CS172, and today we're going to do our experiment number 3, that is classes and objects. So the first experiment is to create a class name student with a string variable name and an integer variable roll number. We are assigning the roll number as 2 and the name as John by creating an object of the class student. We have to assign and print the roll number, phone number, and address of the two students having names Sam and John respectively by creating two objects of class student. So we'll have a look at the program. In this, I am creating a class named student where I'm putting three attributes under the private access specifier, and I'm generating the getter and setter functions for all the three attributes. So and I'm creating another class named student2 where I'm including the main function. In this, I'm creating two objects of type student and a object of scanner type where I'm getting the values from the user. Then I'm setting the value, setting the name and roll number of of one of the objects as John and 2 using the setter function, and then I'm using the setter function to get the value, to get and set the value from the user, and then I'm printing the values using system.out.println. So now we'll have a look at the output. So we'll just say enter the phone number, then the place, and then I'm entering the name, roll number, phone number, and the place. So we can see that the output has been generated in the desired manner. So now we'll have a look at the second program. So the second program is to create a class named holiday, and in that a function named in same month which compares the two instances of a class holiday and returns the boolean value true if they are same month and false if they are not. So in the program, I'm creating a class named holiday and three attributes of under private access specifier, and I'm generating the getter and setter functions for all the three attributes. And in this same class, I'm creating a function named in same month which is returning a boolean type, and I'm getting a object of type holiday. So here I'm comparing the months, of two instances, that is by using dot equals, and I'm returning true if they are equal and false if they are not. So in the another class, I'm creating the main function where I'm creating two objects of type holiday, and I'm setting the name, day, and month of the two objects using the setter functions, and then I'm printing the output, which is being received from the function that is in same month. Here I'm calling the function, and I'm getting it and printing it in the same line. So we can see the output. So we can see that as the months are not same, we're getting the output as false. So now we'll have a look at the third program. The third program is to is to print the information, that is name, year of joining, salary of the three employees by creating a class named employee. So we are creating a class named employee, and again we are using three attributes, that is name, year, and address under the private access specifier. We are generating all the setter and getter functions for all the three attributes. And then I'm creating another class which includes the main function. I'm creating three objects of type employee, and I'm setting the name, year, and address for all the three employees, and then I'm printing the output as desired using system.out.println. So we can see that the output has been generated in the desired manner. So it's the end of experiment number 3.